Okay. Hi, everyone. Have you ever done any peer feedback before? Yes, I think most of us has done some peer feedback before. But do you really think this peer feedback is effective or not? So according to some previous research, researchers found out that no, peer feedback is not helpful, and students don't like peer feedback because they think their peers are not qualified to do peer feedback on their writings. So researchers call for further research on peer feedback training because they want to develop a curriculum that can help students to have successful and effective peer feedback. So in my dissertation, I will argue that the first step to develop this curriculum is to get to know our students and their learning styles. So the purpose of my dissertation is to help Chinese English language teachers to know the value of peer feedback and how to conduct successful peer feedback, and also how to use peer feedback training in their writing classes. And then I designed a survey according to the previous research related to learning styles with writing and also peer feedback. I surveyed 685 Chinese students within different majors. And according to my data analysis, I found that not only interpersonal interaction is important for peer feedback, but also intrapersonal learning is important for peer feedback. So according to my finding, I designed a curriculum for peer feedback training. There are three stages on my peer feedback training process. So the first stage is that we need to identify and teach students the skills that's required in peer feedback. For example, they need to know how to interact with each other, how to negotiate with their peers, and then also they need to know how to use interpersonal skills to read their peers' writing, to do the self-assessments. And then the second stage, we need to raise their awareness that why we need to do peer feedback, why we think peer feedback benefits on our writing. And then the last stage is the most important one. We need to know that how to do peer feedback. So the teacher should model how to do peer feedback. So in this stage, we need to have 4 steps. The first step is clarify the writer's intention. And then the second one, we need to identify the problem. And the third one is we need to know how to explain the problem. And then the last one, how to give specific and clear suggestions. So according to my curriculum, I hope all the students can get to know how to do effective peer feedback. Thank you.